Um, I'm making a website, and I'm just gonna show you that. Okay, right now what I have on my screen may not make sense to you, but I'm just gonna open up the website and kind of show you guys what I've done so far. So this is what my homepage looks like so far. I'm gonna actually have a link to it in the descriptions of all my videos. It's obviously not good. I'm just kind of trying this out because I have a class actually in web development, and we had a project where we had to make one, so I thought might as well make a video about it and make one for the channel. So basically it just says my name here, hey, welcome to the website. Now here there is actually going to be a video on my channel, but at the time of recording this I haven't actually uploaded the first video, so yeah, we'll see. And then this is just kind of a description. Created this website because I had to for school. Yeah, that's actually a good point. I haven't learned web design yet. Like, I've learned some HTML, and I've done research to figure out some CSS, but I actually don't know web design, so some things may seem like unpractical or look a little bit sketchy. One of the sketchy things is that this search bar doesn't work. If I like try typing anything, yeah, it just gives this error not found, like 404. Who knows, in this video I might be able to fix that. I don't know. Anyways, now if we go up here and we hit this About tab, I have a About page. Right now it has nothing actually about the website really, except for this paragraph here. The main reason I actually created this About part was because, of course, my teacher is grading this website, the web development class teacher, and so here I like systematically go through everything that it says I need on the rubric. So one of it is like 3 images, and so I chose an image of Tupac, the Discord logo, and the Hunger Games cover because those were just in my files. This probably looks like a lot of text, and I'm just realizing it is. Like, I kind of feel bad for my teacher. He's not going to want to read all of this. Oh yeah, and then I have this download page that I have nothing on because I don't know what to put. Like, I think I'm gonna put videos up here, or maybe programs. I think now we were gonna focus on the code, right? So with the home page, what I've done with a lot of this code is script kiddied it, as in I've looked at W3 schools and seen some code there and been like, oh yeah, I'm gonna see if that'll work with my thing, so then I'll do it with mine, and if it works, and I'll see something from Stack Overflow, and I'll be like, yeah, I'll see if that works with mine. That sounds like I'm copying, but I swear I'm not. With code, it's like, usually there are a few simple ways to do one small thing. Like, for example, here I wanted to make my background a gradient, and of course there's not too many ways to do that I know of. Like, I only know of the way that I found, and so that's the way I used. It's like I learned how to do it as opposed to just copying it. Whereas if I just found someone's web page, pressed F12, and then copied all of their code, I feel like that would be copying. The way I did it, it's like I took a ton of different things, learned from them, and then made my own thing out of it. This is just stuff in the style thing. Basically, what all of this allows me to do is have a top button, like the top set of buttons that say like About, Download, and Home, and the search bar, which at the moment does not work. I still need to fix that. This top one right here allows me to have a gradient. So these are just kind of like, I'd say, background stuff. So now here, this body tag indicates that we're in the body. I realized I probably shouldn't go through all of this code because it is going to get boring for you, the viewer. I think I might as well just like continue to do what I was doing before I started recording, and explain what I'm doing as I do it, because this is gonna take a while and it's not gonna be fun for me. Right now I was on the About page. According to my teacher, we need to have a ton of different things, like all of these bullet points for our website to be good. And so far, I think I've added 8 of them. And I literally just have them as a list in my About section. I think I already said something like that though. Next one, after the table, it says include a form with at least 3 different types of inputs. Okay, let's do that. I kind of forget what a form is. Alright, that's not how you do it. You don't just write form. We're gonna have some fun. Okay, we're gonna do some research. Okay, that is not specific enough. Anytime I wanna know how to do something, I just add W3 because this amazing website, W3 Schools, has basically everything involved with HTML. Element form. Oh, never mind. I see now why it wasn't letting me write form before. I'm not allowed to have that within a paragraph. So what I have is, in order to write text in the body, usually people create a paragraph using just the letter P in between 2 Pac-Man looking arrow things. And yeah, so I've been putting all of my code inside there, which probably isn't that good, but it just makes it easier for if I want to type randomly. So now I kind of am forced to do something outside of it. Most of this video is just my slow computer loading forever. Okay, so I'm creating an input that'll basically encourage the user to write in their credit card information. So that'll be very fun. Yeah, this is probably the most boring video that exists. Here's a form that has 3 inputs. A color. Whoa, that's actually so cool. It automatically does this. You could set an entire like colored picker. Hit OK. Oh, it doesn't actually say what the check mark would be saying. And oh wow, it automatically just says credit card info. That's kind of annoying. Oh, and when you submit, it puts you to the top of the page. Okay, that's a pretty solid amount of terrible code. I will check back with you later. Okay. So I'm about to run out of storage, I swear. Anyways, I've been powering through this because I want to say I basically finished it now. I haven't gotten that search bar working, but I probably will in the future. Anyways, you don't really need it. There's only 3 pages. Whatever. I realized I didn't really explain that well why I'm even doing this. Oh, I also did make an actual download page and stuff, so you can download my videos from there because YouTube is difficult about letting you download videos from its stuff. I'm also going to add more to the About section, so it's not just a thing dedicated only to my teacher. Anyways, so the point of this site is, it's like, I'm kind of going to treat it like a resume and like an archive for all of my stuff, because I can't put everything just on YouTube. Like sometimes I'm not going to want to make a video for something because I'll think it'll be boring or just tedious to make. So in that case I can put it on here, like maybe a program you could put into Windows to completely disable the admin restrictions on like your school computer, you know, something like that. Of course I wouldn't do that because I don't want to get in trouble because my teacher's going to know about this site. Yeah, I'm going to treat this as kind of just like an archive for stuff I want to put out there. I'm not expecting people to really actually come check this site out or anything. It's more for me to kind of keep everything together, I would say, and sometimes I'm going to want to delete things but not really completely delete them, so I can just put them here and it's like my own little place which I can always access to re-download those things. So yeah, that was this video. Now I'm gonna go edit it and get rid of that Bohemian Rhapsody Muppet music video and put this video on the site instead. So thanks for watching.